Good morning students, welcome to maths class. Today I will explain you exercise 5.6. Before starting the exercise, let me explain you about tax. What is tax? Amount of money charged by the government on various activities such as income, property, sales, goods, etc. Tax is usually expressed in terms of percentage. Whenever we buy an article, the shopkeeper adds a certain percentage of the selling price in the billed amount. For example, say 10% sales tax is charged on purchase of a sofa that costs rupees 2000. Okay, so the actual amount paid by the customer is cost of the sofa plus sales tax. So what is the cost? 2000 rupees, and sales tax 10%. 10% of these 2000. So actual amount which is paid by the customer is rupees 2200. One more thing I want to explain, that is value added tax. These days, however, prices include a tax known as value added tax. Okay. Now let's start from question number 1. I am reading the question. Listen the question carefully. At a restaurant, you order a meal that costs rupees 120, excluding the taxes. The total bill, including the VAT and a tip of rupees 20, is rupees 146. Find the value added tax. Let's start doing the solution. These things are given in the question. Cost of the meal rupees 120, billed amount rupees 146, and tip of rupees 20. In this 120, this tip and VAT is not included. Here we are finding bill amount without tip, because we want to find VAT, value added tax. So first of all we have to remove tip from this amount of bill. So 146 minus 20 means 126. Now we know one thing, that in the amount which is paid by the customer, cost of the thing and tax is included. So if we subtract the cost of the meal from bill amount paid by the customer, so we will get tax. So for that, what to do? Bill amount minus cost of the meal. So in this bill amount we have to write this amount without tip. So 126 minus cost of the meal is 20. So tax is rupees 6. Now tax is expressed in terms of percentage. So we have to find out percentage of VAT. Let the percent be x, assume it as x. So VAT is equal to x percent of 120, because it is unknown right now. And how much it is in amount? It is 6. X, when we remove percent, we write 100 in denominator. Of means multiplication, and amount 120. After doing the calculation, you will get value of x, that is 5%. And it is answer. Now question number 2. I am reading the question. Shravya purchased a gift item marked rupees 584 plus VAT at 12.5%. Find the total cost including VAT. In this question, cost of the gift item is given 584 and VAT is given 12.5%. So what to do? First find 12.5% of this cost of gift item. Then for finding total cost of the gift item, what to do? We have to add this cost and then amount which we will get from this after finding 12.5% of 584. Then add both the amount and you will get total cost of the gift item. So students, you have to do this solution. Question number 3, I am reading the questions. Ruma had breakfast at a cafe and the cost of her breakfast was rupees 24. She left a 10% tip. What was her total bill including the tip? In this question, you have cost of the breakfast rupees 24 and tip of 10%. So I am giving you hint for this question. So for that you have to find out amount of tip. So for that, find 10% of cost of the breakfast, that is 24. After finding this amount of tip, you add cost and tip amount for finding the bill amount, and after it you will get your answer. Now question number 4, listen the question carefully. Man Singh bought a mixer for rupees 5,500. The price included a 10% VAT, value added tax. Find the original price of the mixer. Let's see the solution. He bought a mixer for rupees 5,500, means it is bill amount 5,500 and value added tax 10%. Students, let's understand one thing, that original price of the mixer and 10% value added tax, if we add these two, so we will get this bill amount. So we have to assume here original price of the mixer as X. So let the price of the mixer be rupees. Now we will follow this formula and we will put the values. So X plus 10% of original price means X is equal to bill amount, that is 5,500. So X plus 10, when we remove percent we write 100 in denominator of X is equal to 5,500. Now you can cancel these zeros and you can calculate. So common denominator is 10. Here we have 1, so we need to convert it into 10. So we have to multiply it by 10. So here we have 10x plus x is equal to 5,500. 10x plus x, 11x upon 10 is equal to 5,500. Now we will shift 11 and 10 to right hand sides for finding the value of x. So 5,500, 10 is in division, so this side is in multiplication, and 11 is in multiplication, so this side in division. 11 5s are 55. So original amount is 5,000. It is answer. Question number 5. I am reading the question. Listen the question carefully. Find the price to be paid if 10% sales tax is levied on the following purchases. In A, bed sheet for rupees 500. So in this question, cost of the bed sheet is given rupees 500 and tax is levied of 10%. So what to do? We have to find out 10% of 500. So sales tax, 10% of 500, 10. When we remove percent, we write 100 in denominator of 500. Means rupees 50. and we need to find bill amount in this question. So for bill amount, cost of the bed sheet plus sales tax, which is 50 rupees, and cost of the bed sheet is 500. So 500 plus sales tax means 50 rupees, means bill amount is 550. Students, repeat the same process in part B. A set of badminton rackets at rupees 400. So what to do? You have to find out 10% of 400. You will get amount here, and you have to add this amount to cost of the badminton rackets, means 400. Okay, and you will get your answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is same as question number 4. Listen the question carefully. Rohit purchased some medicine for rupees 1908, means it is bill amount, which included 6% value added tax. Find the price of the medicines before the value added tax was added. Means we have to find out original price of medicines in this question. Bill amount is 1908, value added tax is 6%. So let the price be X. So what to do now? X plus 6% of X is equal to 1900. Now let's calculate it. Common denominator 100. Here we have 1, so we need to convert it into 100. So we need to multiply it by 100. 100x plus 6x is equal to 1908. Now 100 plus 6, 106x, and we are shifting 100 this side. 1908 into 100. After doing the calculation, we will get the amount, the original price of medicine, which is rupees 1800, and it is answer. Question number 7. Same type of question. Priya bought a suitcase for rupees 8400. The VAT for this item was 5%. What was the price of the suitcase before VAT was added? Also state how much the value added tax was. So here we have bill amount, and the amount is of rupees 8400. Value added tax 5%. Let the original price be X. Now the same process we have done in previous questions. So X plus 5% of X is equal to 8400. We will calculate this. We can simplify here, and we will do these steps. Then we will find value of X, 8400 into 20 upon 21. We can cancel it 4 times. So value of X means original price is rupees 8000. So here we have to find out value added tax. Bill amount 8400, original price 8000. So value added tax is of rupees 400. Answer. Last question of this exercise. I am reading the question. Listen the question carefully. A refrigerator is purchased for rupees 20,000, including sales tax. If the actual cost price of the refrigerator is 18,000, find the rate of sales tax. In this question, we have bill amount as rupees 20,000 and actual cost price of the refrigerator is 18,000. So what is to find? First, we are finding amount of sales tax. So for that, what to do? We have to subtract actual cost from bill amount. So 20,000 minus 18,000. So how much sales tax is there? Rupees 2,000. Now we have to find out rate of sales tax. Let's assume the rate of sales tax be X%. Students, we know one thing, that sales tax is equal to X% of actual cost price of the particular thing, and here we have actual price as 18,000 and we found sales tax amount as rupees 2,000. So here we are putting the values X% of 18,000. Now we can cancel the zeros. We can shift this 180 this side. So 2000 upon 180 is equal to X. After doing the division, we will get this 11.11%. So the rate of sales tax is 11.11. Students, here we have completed our chapter 5.